Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem Instagram user not found. This can stem from three different reasons why they may not be found, and we're going to dwell in them right now. So when you open up Instagram and you search for a person and you know their exact username but they're not popping out, it may be because of the following reasons. So let's say we know that we have a friend that's Jansson, Thomas 666 Jansson, but nothing is popping out. Why? Well, two reasons. You've either uh, typed it out wrong, you have them blocked, or they have you blocked. Okay, so that's three reasons. To check if you have them blocked, just go to your profile, click on the settings, and then go to settings, privacy, scroll down and click blocked accounts. Make sure you don't have them blocked here. If you don't have them here and you're 100% sure that you are typing out wrong, then they have you blocked. No other validation. So what can you do in these cases? Well, three things. Try to reach out, but I wouldn't do that if they have you blocked. Unblock them if you have them blocked. And third, just give up. That's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.